wanted to show you this 4-set utensil set that the mama sent us. It is a silicone utensil set with stainless steel handles. And what's really cool about these is the stability. The joints are very tight. The surface is BPA-free silicone, which is fantastic for nonstick cookware. We love cooking with nonstick copper pans as well as cast iron. The nice defined edge on the spatulas work really good on both. Super easy to get under your food. They each have little hangers on the end. So if you have a kitchen where you like to hang your utensils, super cool. And they're flexible, so it's easy to adapt to whatever size hanger you have. These are heat resistant up to 446 degrees. You can put them in the dishwasher, but I am just super excited about the stability. This is a really solid set of spoons and spatulas. It comes with the slotted spatula and spoon, as well as the solid spatula and spoon. So if you're looking for a great addition to your kitchen, these are ones that I would highly consider. The silicone utensil set from the mama.